So I'm Greg MacDonald, and I lead supply and data partnerships for Verizon Media. And Verizon is the largest wireless carrier in the US, and we also operate brands on the web, some of the largest and longest tenured brands on the web, Yahoo, AOL, Huffington Post, and brands like that, and a large ad platform for advertisers and publishers. So some of the best practices for supply chain management when it comes to apps, I really think about this in terms of first principles. It's really about having policies and understanding what makes sense either for your platform or for your brand. Having human review, which is really critical to really making sure that what you've set up makes sense. Having technology to scale those practices. And then also having relationships with the key supply partners in your supply chain. So I think one of the hot topics is really supply path optimization, and that conversation has been around for a little while, but is really starting to extend into the app economy as well. And that's really about thinking about where it makes sense for ads to run relative to your brand or to an individual advertiser. And so I think we're having many more conversations around transparency, and we're having many more conversations around how do you do that alignment between the apps that make sense for the campaign or the brand at hand, and just what's available and what's hot in the market. So the app stores play a really critical role in seeding advertising within the app economy, and advertising is a really critical source of revenue for many app developers. So it's really important that the app stores continue to be involved in different industry initiatives that help keep advertising well lit and transparent, and just safe for advertisers and for users. So apps.text is a really critical one that's going on right now, but really anything that touches advertising is something that's going to be important for the app stores to be involved in and to lean into.